Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya gini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Indian Institute of Technology IIT Guwahati kalapan pau bakalom kabakaloi ban sim ya kabenta kum ka kenhun balai luit ne ka third party audit ban tohkit ya ka jingtua ka jingtap tnum ne ka dom jong ka Ïing Dorbar thawan badang tei hawo ding ding umin tidang ba ka jela konrat ke sangmau la pentip ka sarkar jela ka lai kran bat lai ne sautli ki institution ban terwa ban tohkit rei tangka IIT Guwahati kabalawan sakhmat kumun sukudo badangsen ka high power committee ka larai ban thung da ka third party audit ban tohkit aka ki lalam sa ka jingtua ka jingtap tnum ka Ïing Dorbar.
Regarding the entire question of free and fair inquiry that is being mentioned out here, a third-party agency has been brought in. And I think that in itself is an indication that it's completely disconnected. And this is an institution, and it's not that we have directly selected any institute. We have written to 4 institutes, and one has replied back saying that they are not free. And we have just received information, I can share with you, that we have just received information from IIT Guwahati. They have said that they will be able to come and do the third-party inspection. We expect them to come in the next couple of days, and the inspection will be done, complete study will be done, it will be completely independent in nature, independent from both the stakeholders, the designers and the contractors, and also from the government.